Hey guys, Good Times Tobacco and Accessories here. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Cali Crusher grinder. An overall look, it is great. The weight is nice in your hand. It's a three-piece grinder with a new interlocking system. It doesn't have your traditional threads. Another thing I wanted to point out is that it has an Allen key there, just in case if you damage your mesh screen. You could always pop that out, unscrew that, and pop in a new screen and you're good to go. One more thing I wanted to point out is you could also make your grinder a single chamber grinder, just like so, with the same interlocking system. And another thing, the magnets are strong. Comes with a guitar pick for your pollen, and very easy to put back together. There's your Cali Crusher grinder.